Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Eleftheria and I'm doing some FreeCodeCamp Challenges. More specifically, I'm doing the debugging one. I've already done a video, it was the first 4 challenges, and today I'm going to begin with the rest of them. Before we begin, please share and subscribe. I think that you will like this kind of content, and if you did that, then I think we are ready to start. Let's do this. Submit and go to the next challenge. Yes, so cut unconsoled parentheses, brackets, braces, and quotes. Okay, I will go right here. So it says fix the 2 errors in the code, and I guess it will be something with parentheses, brackets, braces, and quotes. The first one is just this closing braces, I think it's called. So what else? Maybe in the second line I also need a parenthesis, a closing parenthesis here. It says just 2 mistakes, so probably I won't have anything else. And yes, we are correct and ready to continue with the next challenge. This time the title says catch mixed usage of a single and double quotes. Okay, let's read this. JavaScript allows the use of both single and double quotes to declare a string. Deciding which one to use generally comes down to personal preferences with some exceptions. Having 2 choices is great when a string has constructions or another piece of text that is in quotes. Just be careful that you don't close the string too early, which causes a syntax error. So far, so good. Here are some examples, okay, and I can see that in some cases they have the double quotes, and in some other cases like the single quotes, or even they use the single quotes everywhere. Or it says that we can have this backslash, which we can use if we have the quotes. Okay, let's see what we have to do. Fix the string so it either uses different quotes for the href value or escape the existing ones. Keep the double quote marks around the entire string. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go to the first line and see what's missing. Well. Okay, we have this P, click here to href and return and then home. So I think that home, okay, probably needs a single quote. So I'm going to have this one and then this one. Okay, let's check this. And yes, I think it's correct. Yes, and we are ready to continue with the next one. It wasn't actually very difficult, just know when to use single or double quotes. So catch use of assignment operator instead of equality operator. Branching program wants that do different things if certain conditions are met, rely on if, else if, and else statement in JavaScript. The conditions sometimes take the form of testing whether a result is equal to a value. This logic is spoken, in English at least, as if x equals y, then do that, which can literally translate into code using the equal symbol or assignment operator. This leads to unexpected control flow in your program. As covered in previous challenges, the assignment operator in JavaScript assigns a value to a variable name, and the double equals or triple equals operator checks for equality. The triple tests for strict equality, meaning both value and type are the same. Yes, I think that many developers have a problem. Beginner developers have problem in understanding the differences between the single equal symbol and then the double or even the triple one. Okay, let's continue. The code below assigns x to be 2, which evaluates as true. Almost every value on its own in JavaScript evaluates to true, except what are known as the falsy values like false or 0 or double quotes, an empty string, not a number, undefined, and null. And again, we have an example here. But it says that to fix the condition for the program runs the right branch and the appropriate values is assigned to result. Okay, So I think that most probably the error must be here. I think that we need double equal. Yes, I mean we needed a double equal symbol, and that was the correct answer. Let's do one more challenge like this one, which says catch missing open and closing parentheses after a function call. I'm not going to read everything, I'm just going to go here because it says open and closing parentheses, so I guess it must be something with a parenthesis. Like fix the code so the variable result is set to the value returned from the calling the function get 9. Okay, so I'm going to get 9. Get 9 is a function, so we should have the parentheses. And yes, that was the problem. Okay guys, I think that so far so good and everything is not very tricky. I think everything is like okay, at least for a beginner or a mid-level programmer. So we will continue, and the next video will be probably my last one in debugging, so stay tuned and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have an amazing day and see you in the next video.